Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to see me. In today's video, again, we'll be doing another wig, and we'll be doing this hairstyle, achieving this look. It didn't come out how I was supposed to, but I layered this wig the first time I wore it, so yeah, that's why. I don't know what it's doing over here, but yeah, it's a 90s style type flip little dude. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So to start off, I put on my ball cap. It's just a generic ball cap that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm taking my wig glue and I'm going around the perimeter of my head, not on my hairline, a little bit above my hairline, because you don't want your edges gone. And I'm taking a wig glue and I'm just gluing down this wig cap. You don't have to do this. Like in my previous videos, I've used the got to be glued spray. But yeah, this is just another method I wanted to show you guys on how to do your bob cap method. So now all I'm doing is spreading out the glue, laying it down, and after I do this, I wait till the glue's dry. So like in about 5 minutes. It's probably not even that long. So once the glue is dry, it'll be clear, and all I'm gonna do is cut off the excess wig cap from that point, going around the perimeter of my head again. And after I cut off all of the excess wig cap in the front, I'm just gonna tie it in the back. I'm gonna do like 2 knots or whatever in the back with the excess wig cap. And then after that, whenever it comes up, I'm going to begin to put my foundation shade. So you use your foundation shade onto a cotton pad, and I am going to just take me a makeup brush, any kind, and I'm going to dab it around the front of my cap where my actual lace front is going to be at, so it can blend in and look like scalp, or at least try to. So that is just a detailed ball cap method. I felt like I wasn't doing one for you guys and I wasn't talking a lot. So yeah, now I'm gonna let you finish watching the video.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the sky of my mountain until
take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.